Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Happy birthday to you, y'all. We're gonna get into this content. Kenneka friend pulled from a lake in Michigan pier. Now pier. But look, y'all. Now this is for educating y'all, commenting, and criticism. Now, I want to get my condolences to Kenneka's friend family, Zahari, and you have heard her name in a couple Kenneka Jenkins cases. But I want to clear something up for you. She wasn't at the hotel, okay? So y'all start talking. She wasn't at the hotel, okay? It's a tragedy happened while she was having fun on the boat. Something happened while she was on the boat. So what we're gonna do, everything I said about this content is allegedly, okay? Hope y'all enjoy it. And I hope I just want to come in and send my gratitude toward this family. But first I want to start it out with what Kenneka Jenkins' mother said, okay? So y'all won't get it wrong, okay? Kenneka Jenkins is the young lady in the blue right here who had an accidentally froze to death in a freezer. That's what they want to say. So I want to hear what her mom had to say about the young lady, okay? The mom made a live about Kenneka's friend. She mentioned somebody. I'm going to let you curse it.
The Bible says your mother says
I was trying to take the video from the beginning, and somehow I can't get it from the beginning, and I don't understand why. But I wanted y'all to hear what their mama had to say uh, from the beginning. I think what she said that we need to hear it, and I can't put it on that. And I'm trying to find out why I got. Hold on. The mom made a good comment. She said that she didn't know that. I don't understand why it's acting like that, y'all. Let me see, can I find it another way for y'all? Okay, I want y'all to hear what the mom had to say, and then I'm gonna show y'all what Kenneka Jenkins' mom had to say about that. Okay. Let me see. Now, see, can I find it for y'all first? Hold on. Let me pull it up for y'all. I'm gonna share this with you. Mom made a statement, Kenneka Jenkins' mother, and it was beautiful. Let's see, can I find it? Do y'all remember Kenneka Jenkins' mother, Teresa? Very nice lady. Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, I think that she said something about uh she knew who Zahari was, but she was saying that she didn't know the girl mother, and I can understand her by that. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Why this thing acting like this?
How y'all doing? I'm telling you, to everybody that's in questions, I'm just not them. The hiring mother, my heart goes out to you. I had enough of that accident to go what know what, but I'm telling you, my pain
Hold on, y'all. Let me turn the music down. Hold on for a minute.
my heart goes out to you for what happened to your baby. One thing I have learned in life, so if I'm not saying it right, please forgive me. But my heart hurt that you got the good thing that I need somebody that knows the real Kari mother. I've never met her. For your baby to be with the good bit of knowledge and understanding I have, need some help or whatever. Reach out to me. I ain't perfect, but I be right on time. The hardest thing with me, she was getting free. And for me to just not hear this like a couple hours ago, it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. Y'all live each and every day like it's your last day. Please, please, if you mad at somebody, the Bible says, tell them that if somebody loves you, love them. They're gonna try to fix it. But if not, it's okay. I know that's off the wall or whatever. But my heart goes out. But it's not off the wall. It's for us to need to know. It's not hold on to anger. It's not. It's not. Live and let go. Ain't no goddamn body hurt. And if you feel that I disrespect you or something, but God will love you. God said, come to him as I am. Man, the Bible says your mother says you. That's what it says. I'm learning not to lean on my own, but depend on God. And I said, you doing hair? I used to do hair all the time. As long as I was doing it free, everybody did. But when I started charging $15, they stopped being up. So I told her, as long as you as raw as you is, do what you do. I know it's easy for me to say the shit makes me listen. Trust me, ain't no stuff. But they ain't put my words like that. Then I got to get that out in the kind of shut. But she was. She didn't bring everybody to my house. But when she did bring, she wanted me to share the love. And she personally came to me. I ain't got nothing.
Okay, so that was Kenneka Jenkins' mother, y'all. That was Kenneka Jenkins' mother. Uh, yes, that was Kenneka Jenkins' mother. Um, man, this is so sad, man. So I'm gonna play this for y'all right here, and so we're gonna hear from uh, mm, 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 this young lady mother, Zahari mother. Mm, mm, mm.
I was just being on the parent. Oh my God. Fighting back tears, Kizzy Wells says her daughter, 27-year-old Starry Walls, stole her heart. Now she is in pain. Walls was with a group of friends on a boat in Lake Michigan near Navy Pier. Chicago fire officials say she somehow fell off. The U.S. Coast Guard found her body a mile and a half from shore. She was taken to Northwestern Hospital, where she was pronounced.
We don't know 100% what happened, you know. But as the days come about, we know that as of right now, God won't call her home.
Wells says her daughter didn't know how to swim and wasn't wearing a life jacket.
Mm.
Something her mother says is a reminder for people as they head out on the water this summer. That's maybe this it's not a pool. You have to have special equipment during times that Wells says her daughter was a celebrity hairstylist. At the young age of 14, she decided she wanted to be a beautician. Kenneka Jenkins was her best friend. She would experiment on her. She would do different styles on her head. It was like the tester of the different styles. Jenkins died of hypothermia inside a hotel walk-in freezer in 2017. The story CBS News Chicago covered. Wells says Jenkins invited her daughter to the party at the Crown Plaza in Rosemont, but she declined. If my baby would have been there, it wouldn't have happened. But God has an expiration date, so you don't have no control over it. Wall's godfather says despite her hustle to become a hairstylist, she remained humble and giving.
She left a complete mark, and a complete mark on this earth for all people. She exemplified that.
Reporting at Navy Pier, Sade Gray, CBS News, Chicago.
Coast Guard tells us they responded to 34 calls just this weekend on a typical summer weekend.
Wow, this is crazy.
They say they normally respond to 5 to 10 calls.
Wonder what those 10 calls was about. Okay, that's her mom, y'all. Since we heard, I'm sorry, y'all. Since we heard from Kenneka's mom, that was the Zahari mom right there. You know. So I want to make y'all remember who Zahari was back in the days. Zahari was Kenneka's friend. She was Kenneka's friend.
Excuse my help, cause but I'm trying to wait till these little views come in, cause I'm not understanding a lot of shit. So they like, we're trying to understand what the fuck. that, bro. I don't give a fuck who you in school with. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm gonna give me a rock. You came to, she came to two. You came to two. You got locked up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You came to two. You bitch got locked up. Despite what motherfuckers saying they was gonna do to you, you still took that risk and you made it. I'm being charged with my name this time on my phone. The rest of y'all is didn't even pop up, bro. Didn't even pop up and y'all wrong as hell. But I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna, I'm gonna leave what I gotta say to you. I'm gonna leave my shit. I'm just, you hear me? I'm not gonna do this on Facebook. I'm not gonna throw you under the bus and say anything type of those type of you don't have company, bro. But I'm just saying, like, the shit is wrong, bro. Like, y'all ain't wrong. Y'all is wrong, bro. Y'all ain't coming at y'all folks. Motherfuckers drove out there for that whole shit, right? But I ain't gonna let you see their faces one time, bro. Some of y'all didn't even come, not even one time, bro. Like, that shit irritates as hell and it's really bothers me, bro. Like, we need y'all, like, to come through, bro. Y'all ain't come through. Motherfuckers sit on Facebook, maybe. Now that. Just talking about they can't eat, they can't sleep. I ain't seen no shit too. If you want to be real, I ain't seen motherfuckers shed a tear. Y'all seen her mama, see how hurt she was, bro.
That was her friend Zaria Wall.
Officials say the search for the missing person at 63rd Street Beach has now turned into a recovery operation. These incidents, combined with other reports that we've heard throughout the weekend, has boat safety experts reminding people to take extra precaution on Lake Michigan. A West Side vigil honoring the 27-year-old woman was pulled from Lake Michigan on Saturday. Zahari Wall's family trying to make sense of her loss. The Chicago police investigate her death. Police say she was found in the waters near Navy Pier. That same day, the Chicago Fire Department responded to reports of 2 people in Lake Michigan at 63rd Street Beach. Fire officials say 1 person got out. Divers and helicopters searched the area for the missing male, but the rescue mission turned into a recovery operation. This all playing out during the first weekend of summer that drew large crowds and several boats into Chicago's playpen.
What a lot of people don't realize is Lake Michigan acts as an ocean. You have to treat it as an ocean.
Brady Rule is a captain with Boat Safe Chicago, a group that works to prevent accidents on the water through safety training. He says this weekend's weather and the spike in boating activity were contributing factors to trouble on the waterways.
More people are coming out to rent boats to go out and enjoy the water, which is great. But because there's more boats, there's a little more inexperience and more accidents are going to happen.
The strong winds creating for dangerous conditions on boats and in the water.
And with high winds, anchors are coming off the ground. If you're not setting the anchor properly, you're going to slide into another boat.
Boat Safe Chicago sharing this video of a boat that U.S. Coast Guard officials say sunk into the water on Friday. Today, buoys seen floating above the sunken vessel to warn nearby boaters and swimmers. And in the suburbs, this video showing Lake County Sheriff's Marine Unit responding to the scene of a crash that left 1 person injured after a wave runner crashed into a boat. Another resounding reminder.
Oh, Lord have mercy, y'all. I don't like water. I love water, but you can't get me in it. Okay, let's finish with Zahari.
Y'all think that shit. Of course, the sister gonna snap off that. Oh, my sister better come the fuck. That's literally nasty, bro. That shit gonna happen, bro. You gotta let a motherfucker like this, bro. You gotta let a motherfucker get that shit out. Don't take that shit to offense, bro. Don't look at her. You think as if like that you ain't talking to me. You gonna go look for y'all friend, bro. I'm just gonna be real, like y'all ass ain't real, bro. I don't want you to see y'all motherfuckers post on us. Y'all miss her, y'all love her, y'all beat her, y'all miss like none of that shit, bro. Don't put none of that shit, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to set it up. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to get into it. I ain't with any motherfucker up on this Facebook shit. I'm ready to get into it. I'm parking lot. You was scared to be parking that like that. I went right to go get TT in Paris, and what we do? Just before Kenneka, shit like that all day long. Motherfuckers wait down. Every day, bro. Every fucking day, bro. Every day. We been, she was our best friend, how we out there, bro. You think we were every fucking day, bro. You think we just that hotel party with her? We be in this bitch like it be a road trip on my mama. Snacks and everything. All type of shit. Every day, bro. Every fucking day. Like, y'all right. It's next out in the back seat. We don't no fucking know. The support and the love is really low. Basically, I'm like, bro, I'm ready. Don't cherish you on Facebook. You ain't gonna cherish you. You got no motherfucking need. Motherfucking they want to say how nice you know. Fuck. I tell anything comes to an end, bro. You all know business that cushion on these motherfuckers like damn, I really been damn. And I ain't even saying like it's too late though, because it's not too late, bro. It's gonna be plenty like come on there, put into this shit like it's all for real. We gonna be out there every day like motherfuckers still got their chance, oh hell. Like motherfuckers still got their chance up. So they can get that shit over with. The motherfucker gotta worry about TV fighting them, the ACB and no motherfucker ain't no disrespect. But I ain't gonna lie, motherfucker on here acting crazy, motherfucker get on here acting crazy, motherfuckers gonna get touched. Motherfuckers gonna get touched, God, motherfuckers should have been there. Motherfuckers gonna get touched, God, don't get no fuck. I be trying to do this shit with people because that's what mama teach, big mama teach. What you say, Nene? Y'all act like y'all be telling the motherfucker, y'all going too much. Nene, bro, we not even talking about, okay, look, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. I just told her, don't hit it. For real. Because you just went up yesterday, bro. You couldn't make it, but the first stuff that I got, you gave me the shoe don't fit, you gave me don't wear, like, and then you let the same Saturday, don't put your feet in that shoe, that ain't my Saturday. That ain't my Saturday. Well, coming, just look at this. Like, and it's the first time we went protest, we actually come to my next time. That's y'all. That's why you talking about like we don't be telling you. We told you the first time. You know why you didn't want to come, or you didn't come. So, you feel me? Okay. I'll be like,
Okay, y'all, that is Zahari Wall's page. That is the last time that she had this page. So I hope my main thing with that, I had to hurry up and record it so before they delete her channel. But it's some more things that I want to show y'all um with her on the boat, with Zahari on the boat. That was Kenneka Jenkins' best friend. Um, man, this is sad. She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. Let me let y'all see this. Let me see. Can I get a good video? She was beautiful. She was a beautiful girl. I mean, I can't say nothing bad about her. She was a bad mama Jim. Okay, y'all, let me see. Can I get this video up for y'all so y'all can see her on the boat? Um, this I found this on somebody else's channel, somebody else's page. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to stop this. Okay, let me let y'all see her. This is the young lady on the boat. This is Zahari on the boat, y'all. So I'm trying to catch up with all these last videos before they take them down. And you know how quick Facebook is, you know how the family is. They good about taking stuff down. So let me let y'all see this right here. This is a video of her, of the young lady on the boat. Zahari on the boat. So they might take it down, but And y'all, it seemed like the boat just sitting right there in the water. From what the people said, I don't know. So I believe that's why we don't see nobody driving. I think they sit in the water, like on the news video that I showed y'all, how they can sit right there. I don't know. Because it don't seem like they move. It seem like they just sitting right there. And I think that it's her camera going side to side. Or either the boat going side to side. I don't know. Beautiful young lady. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful young lady. Let me see what else can I find for y'all. Hold on for a second. Oh Lord, have mercy. I every time it's something. One thing that's another one. Now, y'all, I want to show y'all the other video of her friend dancing while they was on the boat. They were dancing on this one right here. I think it's this one. I'm not sure. But she ain't doing them. Hold on for a minute. Yeah, let me see. Show y'all this video right here, and then I'm not gonna hold y'all up, okay? I thought I'd just come in to show my sympathy, cause I got 3 girls of my own myself, and I don't like stuff like this. Let me see, can I make this big enough for y'all? Okay, guys. What is this? Hold on, y'all. Hold on for a second. Let's see. Can I let y'all see this video right here? Let's add this video. It's a couple. She's a beautiful girl. She looked totally different from back in the days. Everybody do. It look like something knocked them down. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And like I say, be careful out there, young people. That's why I appreciate every age that I get. But for the mama, stay prayed up. Lord have mercy, girls and guys. Be careful who claim they your friend and they don't like you. They want to be like you. I don't know if that was the cause of this. She really fell out of boat. I don't think she would want to fall off a boat. And I don't know. And I noticed right here they have when the funeral and everything is supposed to be. Y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And like me, when I get the news, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Y'all, I'm out.